It's a Green Thumb Thursday. We're on location at Sky Song, which is on Scottsdale Road in McDowell. We're in the garden because today we're with Justin Rohner talking about farm to table. And you've done it in a big way, Justin, out here.
A big way. This is a beautiful place to come and hang out and also to check out this awesome garden and be able to see what we're growing for our chefs inside. I mean, it's an amazing place to be.
The restaurant's on location here, Bagels and Bialy's, and you got some wonderful things that they're incorporating in the restaurant. So tell us what you've grown in this garden right here.
So in this pot right here, this is a lot of what's going to Chef Shelly inside at the Bagels and Bialy's, and we got a lot of eggplants that we've been just harvesting for her today. You can see some nice pretty ones.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Growing up right up inside of here, nice and fresh. We got some garlic chives that she loves to use in a lot of different recipes. We got basil, this nice purple basil, which is some of the best stuff to be cooking with and throwing into your recipes that you've got at home. Other edible flowers we've got integrated all in here. Sweet potatoes to come, but those aren't ready yet.
But we love it because all of this stuff, like we said with Justin, you can grow it and then you can just put it on your table, and that's exactly what they're doing here at Sky Song. Again, if you've never been to Sky Song, you can come on out to the restaurants and enjoy yourself. It's on Scottsdale and McDowell. This is the perk. I wish we had smell-o-vision because the basil smells fantastic. So when you were out here putting this garden together, did you already have in mind what you wanted to plant for them, or did they give you specifics?
Well, a lot of what we talked to the chefs about, we special grow just for the chefs here at Sky Song. And so they have a pretty cool palette of a lot of different things. We change it throughout the year. Everything's in season, and that's one of the beautiful things about being out here, is that they always get the in-season, freshest stuff you can ever get. I mean, you can't get fresher than that.
And it smells so good. And don't forget the edible flowers. But right now, you know what? We're going to check in with Pat, who is inside Bagels and Bialy's, to see what they are using from the garden that is going to wind up on your table. Take it away, Pat.
Chef Shelly. What a terrific dining place. But I have to tell you, I've got memories of Los Arcos here.
Absolutely, me too.
A shopping center, but I didn't have food like this. And all of it, as Danielle said just a moment ago, in the garden. And then next door, you're using it for items like this.
Isn't it amazing? You know, every item on here has come from the garden, has something that's come from the garden. Our grilled romaine salad has lettuce from the garden, tomatoes from the garden. It's fabulous, it's fresh. We grill the eggplant and put it on our veggie sandwich. Lettuce, tomatoes, all come from the garden. We make our pico from the garden. Our doggy menu even comes with parsley from the garden.
Okay, that's right. You see bacon and eggs and parsley for your pup. That means they're really welcome. In fact, so does this, huh? I love New York Bagels and Bialy's, a whole doggy menu.
Absolutely, they're as important as we are. All of these items come from the garden, and you'll notice they're not shaped like the grocery store. They taste better, they're better for you. We even use them to infuse our vodka and our tequila.
Okay, just a second, hold on. I want everybody at home to know that if you have enjoyed vodka in the past, these peppers were raised right next door. I can't tell you where the vodka came from. All I know is that it probably is going to make one heck of a drink.
Even this has items from the garden.
And what is that?
That's our straw-basil lemonade.
Why is that all the way over here when the host for this segment of the show?
Because Adam just finished making it for you.
Shelly, Adam, Bagels and Bialy, all the fresh veggies. Thank you very much.